everyone, welcome back to another vlog. So I'm on my way to Surendra. We're gonna review a service for Beauty MNL and it's gonna be for Browhaus. I haven't really tried out Browhaus, and the vlog yesterday is already up and sobrang funny kasi hindi ko na kwento kahapon that while I was riding the Uber yesterday, I was vlogging. Tapos pag ganun ko ng hair ko, nalaglag yung earrings ko. I didn't notice it while I was editing. Pero people pointed out when I uploaded the vlog. So, a lot of you guys saw that. Hindi ko nakita yun as in, siguro sa sobrang antok ko, hindi ko yun napansin. So, in short, nahulog yung earrings ko. Ang nahanap ko lang is yung likod. Tapos yung harap, hindi ko mahanap. I had to like get off Uber na kasi sobrang late na ako kahapon. Kaya, hindi ko siya mahanap talaga. So, sabi ko, kaya na lang. Pero siguro na siya sa bag ko. I have to check my bag pa. Pero yun yung story nun. Kasi kakaganon ko ng hair. Hindi malakas yung kapit niya. Sobrang stuck sa traffic kahapon. 2 hours kami sa Ortigas area. Sobrang kawawa yung ka-Uber pool ko. Kasi she was going to Fort. Ako yung unang drop. So, sobrang tagal namin sa traffic. Nakakaloka talaga. So, I'm wearing my eyeglasses today because I worked all night. I edited 2 videos. I filmed 2 videos and then edited 2 videos. So, I just got like 3 hours of sleep. Kaya sabi ko, oh my goodness. Maaga yung appointment ngayon, so I have to be there. Anyway, everything's good. I haven't eaten breakfast yet, so I'm gonna have brunch at Surendra na lang. But I got myself a looker. Ayan. So, later tonight, I am thinking of doing a Facebook Live. Tapos siguro, mag-giveaway ako. Ewan ko. We'll see later on. It's the weekend. It's Friday right now and sobrang bilis ng week na to. As in, it went by super quickly. Parang kaka-weekend lang last week eh. Well, anyway, that's it guys. Please don't forget to check out our cooking video right over here. We cooked one of our family recipes, my family recipes. It's white chicken. So, recipe ng mom ko. So, please do watch it and share it. If ever you like it, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget, the 100K giveaway is still ongoing. Until August 30 kayo pwede mag-enter. So, a lot of prizes to be given away and iba-ibang avenues kayo pwedeng sumali: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and my channel. So 4 different channels or avenues. So I'll have all the links down in the information box. For my outfit today, ito lang, denim jacket lang, pinatong ko lang, and then top from Mango, jeans from Mango yata. And then my shoes are also from Muy Bien Bonita, but this time I'm wearing the black sandals. The service we're going to try out today is actually a brow service, but I didn't want to go out without any brows. So, yan, nag-drawing ako ng brows ko. Kasi ayokong lumabas ako ng brows, diba? Pero later on, kailangan natanggalin. It's some kind of brow tinting something. I have to check the service pa. It's up on Deal Grocers. If ever you want to try it, go lang sa Deal Grocers. So, we're gonna review it today kung okay ba or not okay. May Pure Beauty pala dito guys. Oh my gosh, let's check it out later. Ang daming stuff. Kakatapos ko lang sa Browhaus Browgraphy guys. So, I'll be having the video up as soon as possible. I have to leave the tint on for like 5 hours. So, hindi ako pwede mag-makeup. Pero okay lang kasi mukha na siyang makeup. Like it. Another service I want to try here at Browhaus is their full face threading. First time ko magpa-thread today pero sobrang painless yung experience. Kaya I love it and I'm looking into getting my face threaded. Kasi baka. Anyway, let's grab some brunch. I'm so hungry. It's already 1 p.m. Having brunch here at Fat Pho. First time here, pero gusto ko kumain ng pho. So I have their menu here. Ang in-order ko is the first special, which is pho broth with shaved US beef, raised beef mukbang. Thank you. Bangga. Madami pa silang ibang dishes, so it's really cool. Eternal, please. na yung pho ko, guys. Yummy. Thank you very much. This is where I had brunch, guys. Fat pho. Love it. And actually, may karada dun sa taas. Karada yung parang bone alignment na yan. Something. This is Serendra. Dami nilang stuff. Shucks, I wanna try it. Here at Cold Stone, guys, enjoying ice cream. Tapos uwi na ako. Now on my way home, guys, so I'll wash off the tint at 6 PM pass, and sabi nila 5 hours daw bago ako pwedeng mag-makeup. So, yun. Nag-ice cream ako sa Cold Stone. Super sarap. Very creamy. And the pho was really good at fat pho. Masarap siya. So, I guess I won't be filming this afternoon. Mag-edit lang ako ng mga nakatambak na video. And naka-Uber pool ako kasi mataas kapag hindi Uber pool. It's here, guys! The Huawei P9. I cannot wait to try it out. It just came in the mail. Kakakuha ko lang sa kanya, actually. It's so exciting to try it out because meron nga siyang Leica camera. Leica? Dual camera daw. I've been hearing a lot of good things about this cam. Gosh, it looks so sleek. I love it. OMG. Anyway, I'll be doing a review video for you guys. So, separate video na yun. Oh my gosh. I got the gold one.